Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you the 7 best alternatives to Samsung Messages that offer great features for texting, RCS messaging, and staying connected. Let's get started. First up is Google Messages. Google Messages is the most popular replacement for Samsung Messages. It supports SMS, MMS, and RCS chats, along with spam protection, message scheduling, and end-to-end encryption for supported conversations. Next is Microsoft SMS Organizer. SMS Organizer automatically sorts your messages into categories like personal, transactions, and promotions. It also includes reminders, message backup, and a clean, easy-to-use interface. Third is Textra SMS. Textra is one of the most customizable messaging apps available. It offers hundreds of themes, scheduling, quick replies, and plenty of personalization options. Fourth on the list is Chomp SMS. Chomp SMS includes features like passcode protection, message scheduling, customizable notifications, and privacy options. It's a great choice if you want more control over your messaging experience. Fifth is Pulse SMS. Pulse SMS lets you send and receive text messages from multiple devices, including your phone, tablet, and computer. It also supports scheduled messages, backups, and customization. Sixth is Mood SMS. Mood SMS combines messaging with a modern design. It supports customizable themes, emojis, stickers, and dual SIM phones, making it a feature-rich alternative. And last is HandSent Next SMS. HandSent Next SMS is a long-standing messaging app that offers cloud backup, message scheduling, private conversations, and extensive customization options. Now, here's something important. If you want RCS messaging like Samsung Messages, Google Messages is your best option because it's Google's official messaging app and is supported by many Android devices. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.